Okay, in this one they want us to find a percent increase or decrease. So the big thing to go back to is like from the last question, if we use that idea of the actual percentage, then it makes these ones where they don't tell you a percent or they say they don't tell you the original amount easier to solve. So you can have a whole amount or what was kind of in this one like an original, so the old number, and then it got multiplied by a percent to get a new number. And so in this one, it looks like the percent is the thing we don't know. So his tuition bill for last semester was $57.60. This semester, it's $6,048. So $57.60 was the old number, times the percent, we'll just call it X or something since we don't know what it is. And then the new number was $60.48. And so it's pretty easy to see. All I have to do to get X by itself is divide by $57.60 on both sides since it's multiplied by that. The real thing will come in interpreting our answer. So what is 60.48 divided by 57.60? So 1.05 I get for X. Okay, what does that mean? Does it mean tuition went up 1% or something? So we have to think about this. This is 1.05 as a decimal answer. If I want to switch this to a percent, that's 105%, right? Moving it 2 times. We're multiplying it by 100 because we're going back to percentages. So 105%. Does that mean that it went up by 105%? Well, if something goes up by 100%, it doubles, right? You take the whole cost plus another part. So this is the thing that we have to think about, like in the other one. This is the actual percent, so after the increase. So if you had to pay 105% of what it used to cost, that means you had to pay the whole old cost, plus you had to pay another 5%. So this is what I meant about the interpreting the answer part. So if I paid 105% of what it used to cost, that seems like it was an increase of 5%. I paid the old cost plus this increase. And so in terms of solving, it turns it into like a nice 3-step equation, just an old number, a whole amount, times the actual percent you paid, gives you the new number. And so the actual percent you paid was 105% of what it used to cost, which means that it was a 5% increase. So it shortens down this formula part if you can interpret your answer like this at the end.